Hello everyone. So here we will be discussing the problem of adding 1 to a number represented as linked list. So let's get started. The question here is a number n is represented in linked list such that each digit corresponds to a node in linked list, which means that if we have the number as 4, 5, 6, here we are having these nodes. The node data is 4, 5 and 6 and each digit in the node is treated as the digit of the number. So in this case our number would be 4, 5, 6, which means 456. So this is what the question states, and what we need to do is we need to add 1 to the number. So as our number was 456, we need to add 1. So our output would be 457. Now let's see how to get this output. So to get this output, we will do the dry run of this code which is given here. So this is our C++ code. First of all, let's dry run the code of 4, 5, 6 only. So we are taking 4, 5 and 6. Now we have this list and we have current as head. So this is our current node which we will represent as C, and last node is null initially. So last is null. Now if current data is not equal to 9, which is not the case here, so last equal to current. So last will be pointing to 4. Now current will move to current next. So current will be here, and we see that current data is not 9, so last will also be here. Similarly the case current is here and last is here. Now we can see that current next is null, so we will stop here, and hence we get last node which is 6. So the data of last node is 6 here. Now, and also our current data is same as this one. So this is the current also. Now we check if current data is not equal to 9, which is 2 here, as it is 6. So we return current data plus plus, which will be 6 plus plus, which means 6 plus 1. So this will be 7. So our list will be 4, 5, 7, and at last it says return head. So we would return the head of this linked list, which is 4. So it would give us output as 457. So this list is the output. Now let's look at a different example in which we need to have a carry. So let's take the example of 299 in this case. If we add 1, it should give us 300. So let's work on it. We have the list as 2, 9, 9. Now we have this node as current node. We check current data is not equal to 9, so our last is equal to current. So last is pointed to 2, current is pointed to the next one, which is 9. Now we see that current data is 9. So if condition is not there, we just move current to the current next. Now current next is null, so we will stop here. In this case, we have current equal to 9, which is current is pointing to 9, and last is pointing to 2. Now we check if current data is not equal to 9. We are having current data equal to 9, so we won't have this loop, and last is also not equal to null, so last is also not equal to null, so we will reject this loop as well. Last data plus plus, so we would add 1 to last, which is 2 here, so adding 1 to it would give us 3. So our list becomes here 3, 9, 9, and we have last pointing here. Now what we need to do next is last next, so we will move this last to the next one, and while last is not equal to null, we need to have last data as 0 and last as last next. So we will have this data as 0 by removing this. We replace this with 0, and then last moves to last next, which is here. Now last is not null, so again we will move this data to 0, and last to last next, which is null. So here the loop breaks and our answer is 300, which we got initially here. Hence the code is fine. Now let's check by running and submitting the code. So compilation is successful. Now let's submit it. Hence, the code is working fine and running for all the test cases. Hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching.